everyone. Today we're going to be doing project 3 of our bee unit. So this is going to be the life cycle of a bee. The most important thing about this project, besides having fun, is making sure that we're aware of all 4 stages of what makes a bumblebee go from an egg to a full-size bee. So we're going to make sure that we talk about egg, then pupa, after larva, and finally bee. If there's a different structure that you guys want to do this, that's totally okay, just so long as all of those stages are labeled. And so we're going to start off with the life cycle of a bee, and we're just going to put that in the far right-hand corner. As always, please feel free to allow your kids to use creative license wherever they see fit. These are just suggestions that we have for the way that the structure should go, but if they want to do something else, that's okay too. So we're going to start off by making a honeycomb. So we're going to do the center of the honeycomb, which, as you can see, is a hexagon, which means it has 6 sides. Bumblebees use this specific shape in order to maximize space and be able to contain nectar that feeds the baby bumblebees. All right, so we're going to start with our middle. And we're just going to go all the way around. So the first step, of course, is going to be the egg, which is laid by the queen bee in one of the small hexagons. And if you want to label as you go, that's okay. Otherwise, we can do it afterwards. As I said, it's really up to you. So that's going to be the egg. Very important. Next is going to be the pupa, which is basically a very small worm-like shape that the bee goes into next. And this is when they start to eat the honey. So this is going to be the pupa. Put some glue there. Alrighty. All right, next is going to be a larva. So as we can see, it's not quite a bumblebee yet. It doesn't have any stripes or any wings. And this one is sleeping. So I'm gonna make sure that we have that next. And that's gonna be the larva. Alrighty. And of course, last but not least, is the full-grown adult bumblebee. And that's going to be the last part of the bee cycle. So we'll label that right here. And it's important to note that bumblebees and human beings are the only species in the whole world that share the same food source. So humans and bees alike both use honey for nutrients. So there you have it.